Producing bioethanol, biofuel, is very good for the environment. It's a product of nature. We are using biomass like straw, like energy grasses, like woody biomass, and we are producing fuels. We put them in our cars and we can go. My name is Raffaella Serra. I'm working with Beta Renewables. Our company produces bioethanol. Today, bioethanol is available, reducing the greenhouse gases emissions that are the first reason of pollution in the transport sector. We have to do something today, and we are able immediately to blend it with gasoline and put it to the engines with no modification of the standard car fleet. Fossil fuels are not renewable. Therefore, we have to find an alternative. And biofuels are a very good alternative because you are producing a product that is renewable. Today, there are several universities that are engaged in studies to see how they can implement ethanol as fuel in cars that can run longer distance than before.
D2 Roadrunners, that's a student project here at the Technical University of Denmark, where a group of students are building the world's most fuel-efficient vehicles. My name is Claus Soldrup Nielsen, and I'm employed here at Technical University of Denmark, and I'm a lab engineer. The vehicle is as a Formula 1 car, meaning that a Formula 1 car, you just don't take it out in the morning from the garage and start racing. It takes a lot of preparation. We're building these smaller vehicles that we compete in a competition called Shell Eco Marathon, which is the sort of the world championship in fuel economy. Actually, this small container, that is our fuel. It's only a quarter of a liter, but it will possibly take us more than 100 kilometers with only this fuel that we have here. The main thing with bioethanol is that it's bio, meaning that it's CO2 neutral. And it's a really good fuel to use in an engine, meaning that we can get high efficiencies and giving us a good fuel economy. What we can learn from this, there's a lot with alternative fuels. We have been using bioethanol for 5 or 6 years. And ever since we started with this, we have been on top of getting the biggest trophies. We have been in this competition for 14 years. We have had a lot of first prizes, and we also have had a lot of world records. This car's record is 665 kilometers on 1 equivalent liter of bioethanol.
Right now, the wood chips from the fields outside the plant is delivered by truck. I'm Alex Batou. I'm a chemical engineer, and now I'm the proposal manager of this technology in order to produce bioethanol.
Today, we are in our biorefinery in north of Italy, not far from Torino, in a small village called Crescentino. Here, people are dedicated to agriculture. And indeed, we also buy biomass from the local fields.
Yeah, so this is our biomass, which is used for the ethanol production. For example, this is the poplar, while this is the other part of chestnuts.
Here in the biorefinery, we process biomass. We cook them and we transform them into ethanol. In our technology, the use of enzyme is essential.
So the enzymes are added into this section, which is the hydrolysis section, and thanks to their work, they will attack the biomass in order to cut the biomass into sugars.
Because enzymes are able to attack, reducing them into simpler sugars that are ready to be fermented. So without enzymes, we will have a very big problems. My dream is to see more and more biorefineries like this one of Crescentino to be spread in Europe and all over the world, decreasing the carbon content. One day, if there will be more and more biorefineries like this one, we will have a better quality of air and water for ourselves and for the next generation.
When you're determined to brew the world's best beer, you discover a thing or two along the way. In 1952, Carlsberg mapped a protein-degrading enzyme for the very first time. By sharing this discovery with the world, groundbreaking progress has been made in unlimited facets of technology and industry.